Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today is what I'm going to be doing is, you guessed it, putting in the front speakers. I ordered some of these kick panels. They are from, I believe it's called Retro Audio, and I got these new kick panels, and they are actually fitted for a couple speakers. The speakers that I ended up going with are these 4x6. They're Pile. I did a bunch of research, and these seem to be some good speakers. They had really good reviews, and they were listed as some of the top 5 speakers on quite a few reviews that I was doing online. So we are going to get to installing these. The first thing I need to do is I gotta take these speakers and I gotta put them in here, make sure they're fitting, which they do fit. I'll put this faceplate on. And then is what I need to do is I need to drill out holes so I know exactly where to have these speakers mount. So give me just a couple minutes here. I'm gonna get set up, and then I'm gonna get a couple holes drilled and get these ready to go. Alrighty, I am back and I got one speaker all nice and mounted up. I will set you up on my tripod and record as to what I'm doing on the other panel here, and then I'll show you how I do it. It's pretty simple. Just line it up, drill some holes, screw in the screws, and then put it in. Alrighty, the next thing that I did is I made some leads already for the speakers. So I'm just gonna get these all plugged in and ready to go, because I gotta put these leads on and get them routed before I can put these kick panels on. Let's go like that, and then I'll just put these up here out of the way. I'm gonna do that with both kick panels, so that way when I go to slap them on, this will come up in the right spot. And let me zoom out. Anyway, when I put these on, the speaker wire will come up out of the way, and then we'll be able to get it on. So let me get you set up, and I'll try to see if I can get this filmed while I'm putting these in. Alrighty, so I finally got my speakers and kick panels installed, and this is what they're looking like. I tried to record it as good as I could, but I couldn't really get a good angle of everything. But this is what they're looking like. Here's the driver's side. I'm gonna go over there to passenger side. Only thing I gotta figure out here is how I'm gonna hide these wires here. Actually, I might be able to tuck them up under the carpet. But anyway, those wires are showing. Other than that, I mean, everything's all good. It's all tucked up. You can't really see anything. So let me turn this on and see what they sound like. I haven't even turned the key at all, so I was busy putting everything back together in here. So give me a sec here. Alrighty, here we go. Here's the message. Agree. Sounds like they're working. I'm gonna turn this down all the way and try to find a station so I don't get popped with a copyright claim. There we go. I don't think this will give me a copyright claim. They seem to be working. There we go. Yeah, I just gotta go in here and figure this out. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. So I got the balance and fade. So definitely can hear it coming through that speaker. Hear it coming through on that speaker up there. So it all seems to be working pretty good. are installed, and that's pretty much complete. Alrighty, so after I got the speakers and everything installed, the next thing that I went ahead and did is I jumped on the trunk here, and I actually glued down this weather seal. The glue that I use is just this 3M Black Super Weather Strip and Gasket adhesive. This stuff actually, it works pretty good. So what you do is you put it on really thin, let it tack up a little bit, and then pop your weather seal in. I had mentioned in my last video I was going to get an amplifier and install that. I had every intention of doing that. I ordered the amp, it came, I opened the box. That sucker was huge. Like literally was going to take up all my trunk space back here. I couldn't get it in. So I guess this isn't like necessarily a daily driver. It's just for the weekends. It would be nice to have that amplifier. However, the music that I do have right now and the sound that it produces is pretty good. So I'm not really going to complain much about it. Next thing I did is I actually got the hood on. My wife was able to help me with that. So we got the hood on. It's lined up pretty good. I got to do a little bit more adjusting on it. I got to pull this side down just a touch and then get these gaps good to go. But yeah, that's where we are. I'm kind of stretching right now because like I'm just waiting for some back ordered parts. So yeah, give me a second here. I'm gonna take this off and I'll show you what all the chrome looks like because I got it all on too. So give me a minute here. Alrighty, and here's the car. This is what it's looking like after all the trim and everything is on. Let me see here. So I got the chrome beads going down the door. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here we go. So it's going down the door, goes under onto the quarter panel here, little piece. Goes around the windshield, but also around the hood here. And then it comes over to here and does the same thing. This fender, maybe I can adjust it back just a hair. That actually might be able to close this gap that's up here. Maybe I just gotta move the fender back or the core support and get it back so this lines up a little bit better. And that will also close up this door gap just a hair as well. But yeah, this is what she's looking like right now. I'm actually really digging it. I don't know, I like it. I'm pretty excited. I'm to the point where I could technically take it out and drive it, except for if you look out my window here, we just got hit with like, 6-7 inches of snow. So yeah, I'm not taking her out in the snow and driving it. This thing would probably be horrible in the snow. And plus, I don't want to get salt all over it. But anyway, this is what she's looking like again. And then I'll do another interior walkthrough, and then I'll probably end the video there. So give me a sec here. Alrighty, so here's what the interior is looking like. Door panels, they're on back order. Interior is looking good. I'm liking everything in here except for the steering wheel. However, yeah, I've ordered like 2 and they came back and said that they're on back order or not available. But anyway, there we go. That's what that's looking like. Got the seats in. They look great. Carpet looks good. Looks amazing. Here's the back seat. This looks amazing. This stuff right here, that's not from the paint or nothing, is what that is I try to put the I was test fitting the pad that goes underneath this that goes underneath this, and as soon as it touched the seats and I pulled it across seats, it did that. So I still got to vacuum it out really good. Actually, I got to figure out how to get it off because I've been vacuuming, except for it's still on there. You can see it on here as well. But this is what the interior is looking like. Looks good. Let me see if I can get a good shot of what the speakers are looking like. There's one. Looks good down there. I still got to vacuum it out in here. It's kind of dirty, but I don't know. I think it's looking awesome. This headrest is looking pretty slick too. I'm loving it. I know that somebody mentioned that theirs was actually sagging like in the head area right here, but this is actually, it's super thick, so it's not really flimsy, and it's actually hard because it was good mold. So not sure if they just got a bad one. They emailed me about it and we were chatting about it, so hopefully it doesn't deter anybody. Where I got that from actually is from a company called Speedway Motors, so that's where I got that from. And it was actually one of the cheaper ones, and the shipping was free on it. So, and it was at my house like 2 days after I ordered it. Another quick thing I wanted to show too and let y'all know is if you see the car, it's actually sitting up like that. So is what I did is I actually got some new coilovers coming from QA1 coilovers. So hopefully once those get in, that should be the next video. I'm hoping get those slapped on. They should be here within like next week or so. But yeah, I think after that, possibly rims and tires, it won't be anytime soon. I'll probably just take these off and paint these rims. Not sure, I might go black and then see what it looks like. And then if anything else, I'll just get some different rim and tire combination. I do like the raised letters. However, I bought these tires on a budget just so I can kind of get it going and rolling. But yeah, we will see. But there we go. But anyway, that's going to be a wrap for this video. I really just want to thank everybody, all my people, for inspiration. I had to write them down here, but ASIC Eric, Heavy Pedal Garage, Life by Cars, Appalachian Garage, Bradley's Building Junk, Elrod's Garage, and Rare Rat. I'm sure there's some people that I missed, but those are some of the channels that I frequently watch. You guys are awesome. What you guys are doing is huge. It's huge, inspiring to me to see the way that you all do stuff. Yeah, there's those big channels like Goon Squad and then some of the other bigger channels, which I'm not knocking on them. They're awesome. I love those channels. However, I really like the smaller channels and watching people as they start building and creating their own content. I love the in-depth and the details that everybody's going in. So I really thank y'all for that. If any of you guys like have a channel on YouTube, drop it down below. I love watching people's videos. And yeah, if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that glare. I will see y'all next time. So thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.